Okay. Yep. Okay, Sam's reaction to her new room. What do you think?
That's the next to my flowers.
What do you think of your new room? Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
What's on the walls?
A butterfly.
How many?
2.
2. There's a lot more than 2, huh? Here. You want to get on your bed?
Uh-huh.
Are you going to take a nap in here today?
Uh-huh.
Okay. It's so pink in here. What do you think? Don't touch those things, though. Don't touch them, Sammy. They'll fall off the wall. What do you think? That's your name up there.